freaking crazy. He was just excited. I literally can't even believe that you would say something about somebody on the spectrum like that anyway. Anyway. So you, like, want to hear me, like, play a song or something, maybe? I got my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottles of whiskey for the way. I know, I'm like the next best Zach Bryan, huh? And I sure would like some company. And I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? Hey, wearing your pants off. When I'm hard. I'm so hard. I really, really need this one. And, please don't go. Please. It's so hard. It's so hard and it's been so long. Please, baby. Fine. He Heiled Hitler. Is that what you want to hear?